Hello and welcome to Gracie Media USA. Do you find it very hard sometimes to eat raw vegetables? Or do you have babies? In case you have babies that struggle to eat vegetables. So today we are going to see how can you ensure that you are eating vegetables or your babies are eating vegetables, because especially babies, I've noted most of them, they don't just like vegetables. So how can you ensure that they are eating vegetables in their meals? Because vegetables are very important. We all know they provide vitamins, and you want your babies to be healthy. You want yourself also to be healthy. I want to tell you that I found it very hard, in particular, to get in tune to be eating raw vegetables, which are very healthy, because sometimes when we cook, we actually destroy most of the important nutrients in our meals. So today's video, we are going to see how can we ensure that we are eating the best of the nutrients from vegetables, and also we remain healthy by making sure that we eat a balanced meal, eating healthy, So welcome to Gracie Media USA, your platform number one. This is the platform where we empower with knowledge. If I learn something, I want to share with you guys so that we can walk this journey together. It's not all about myself. Whatever I learn, and it is important, I want to share with you guys the right information so that we move this journey together. So today we are going to see how can you get to be eating vegetables, raw, even uncooked vegetables, spinach, kale, cabbage. How can you do that, So we are going to do or to learn in this video. If you are new into this channel, welcome to Gracie Media USA. Please subscribe, join the family, hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. Please like, share. If you really like the content of this video, I encourage you to like it. Please give it a thumbs up, like it, so that it can be able to reach as many people as possible. Share your other comments, share other comments so that we can also learn something from you. Maybe you have a different style of doing this, or share with us some knowledge, other comments, and also share the videos with your friends on your Facebook wall, on your Twitter, on Instagram, and so forth. So let's get going. So welcome to Gracie Kitchen. Today we are going to use some pineapple, and then we have bananas and avocado. And our main ingredient that we want our babies to feed on is spinach. Most babies don't like eating greens or vegetables. So one easier way to help your baby eat vegetable is actually to blend in with other stuff like fruits. And that is what we are going to do today. I also have a little lemon juice. This is fresh lemon juice. And I want to put a little bit of it in my smoothie, or the fruit juice that I'm making, in order to make sure that lemon is very rich with vitamin C, and it helps in fighting things like flu, colds, common colds, and such kind of virus diseases. So let's go. So I have my ingredient ready, and we are going to blend this. I've put enough pineapple, spinach, baby spinach, and you can use any kind of spinach. It doesn't have to have the label baby spinach. Any good spinach or kale, those are very rich vegetables with vitamin C. I have bananas and avocado. So our smoothie is all ready, and I'm going to serve. And as you can see, it's very nice, well blended. And in this, we wanted to ensure that at least in our smoothie we got spinach. You know, it's very hard, not even babies. There are some people who find it very hard even to eat like, you know, raw or uncooked green vegetables, which are very rich with vitamin C and other nutrients. And so if you find it very difficult to eat raw vegetables, you know, the easier way to go about it is to blend in with other stuff like fruits, and you end up with a very, very nice smoothie. Yeah, as you can see, very nice, very, very nice. And I'm going to serve also my babies, just to ensure that at least they eat vegetables, because they don't eat vegetables when cooked or just served, and they can see that's vegetable. So this is one way to help your babies eat vegetables and ensure they are having a balanced meal. So let me enjoy my drink. It's very, very nice. Yeah, very rich in vitamins. And this is the way to go, you know, keeping young through healthy eating and ensuring that if you have difficulties eating raw vegetables, you can easily eat them, in particular when you blend them with other fruits. This is great and awesome if you have issues like eating even other stuff that you like. An easier way to do is actually to blend in. You can even blend in spinach or kale and actually make it like a soup and put it in the food that you're making for your babies that they like most. So that way they'll also, it's an easier way to have them eat whatever they don't like eating indirectly. If you like the content of this video, I encourage you to like, to subscribe to Gracie Media USA platform in order to get more juicy stories. This is a platform where we say knowledge is power. We empower each other with the right information to keep us going. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.